choose two positive integers in the range 5 to 15 inclusive. You want to know probability. Want to know what is the probability that the product of the two numbers is odd. So we're going to choose two positive integers from the range 5 to 15 inclusive, and we want to know what is the probability that when we take these two positive integers and multiply them, we get an odd result. Basically, again, the formula would be the number of successes divided by the number of possible outcomes. So let's say the order in which we choose the numbers matters this time, like just for variety. Like let's say like the order in which we choose the numbers is important. So and I should also say that these are distinct positive integers. So the number of possible ways, like we have the range 5 to 15. So from 5 to 15, there are 11 numbers, 15 minus 5 plus 1, like, or we can just count them out in case like the reason why it's 11 might be confusing. Like you can just count them out. You would find 11 total possible numbers to choose from. So there are 11 like ways to choose the first number. And once you choose the first number, there are 10 ways to choose the second number because they can't be the same. So now we want to find what is the probability that the product of the two numbers is odd. So notice that like the only way to form a product that is an odd number is if both of the numbers that you choose is odd, right? Like in order to have an odd product, you have to have like odd number times an odd number. Like you can't have like an even number times something and get an odd number. That's not possible. Like both numbers that you choose have to be odd in order for the product to be odd. So from 5 to 15, we have like 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. That's 6 odd numbers in that range. So the number of successful outcomes would just be like exactly the same as like the possible outcomes, except you would just do 6 times 5, right? 6 times 5 successful outcomes divided by 11 times 10 possible outcomes. So if you were to do the division, you would have 30 on the top, 110 on the bottom. So this probability would be 3 over 11. And yeah, that would be the probability in this case. Yeah.